Okay, here's I'll take the decals off of the 226 Caterpillar skid steer. Reference line. Right in there. How they go. 262. Yeah. Turbo up there. That right there. Caterpillar band across the front. All these. This one. This one. This one.